Welcome back to QandA. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel if you're new to my channel, and also press the bell icon. So today's video is gift ideas for birthday. So first of all, I have to take a type of container like this. It's a plastic container I've used. You have to take some chocolates in it, and in some checks you have to write birthday wishes, and after that you have to fold them. Okay, and you have to keep them with the chocolates. So don't forget to like this video, share the friends and families, subscribe to my channel, also press the bell icon to get all the updates, and also comment me what shall I make next, means challenges. And if you have any questions, now to take a wrapping sheet any color. So I took a red color wrapping paper. Okay, and now you have to do what is that, you have to take the container, place it between there, and you have to cover it with the wrapping paper. So first you have to take any sellotape and cover all the sides. After that you can tie it from the top with a ribbon, or like yellow color type of, it is something I will show you what I did. So let's continue now, and I've created some playlists. So if you haven't seen them, yes guys, if you haven't seen them, don't forget to check them out. The links in the description box. So I took this type of thing, plastic type, this ribbon is that, so I tied it around, but this was like this, it was not getting that side. So it's not a problem, you could see how beautiful it's looking, so good. So yeah, so thanks for watching, thanks for your help and support. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Wait, have you seen these videos? No? Then go and check them right now. Go.